So I've been learning to code and make games for some time now. But now I've decided that I wanted to learn a new coding language fast. So here is my story of how I learned Python in 50 hours. The challenge has some rules. 1. All assets must be made in the 50 hours. 2. The game must be made in Python. Now that we know the rules, let's start the challenge. The first thing I did was get a window to be displayed, because that's kinda important. There, we have a window. Now with the window, we need to display stuff. So I quickly made a pixel art duck and tried to display the image. It worked perfectly the first try. So I ended up changing the whole way of displaying it, and it now works. Though the duck is kinda just sitting there. So let's give it some movement. Just a small issue. There, the duck can now move. I was planning on making a game where you need to kill enemies, but after making the movement, I tried to make an enemy, and that failed. So I got a new idea. I decided to make a speedrun platformer game, where you will collect points to get more time and lose when you run out of time. There we go. We have a platform, but there's a big problem with this code. It only works on one platform. I was able to find this tutorial by Copy Potato, so I copied that collision. And it also had a very good way to display levels. So thank you very much. I'll be taking all of that. So next, I added coins that will spawn in random position. Works fine. Now, you might remember that level code. Yeah, so I added the levels, and it works great. Now, each platformer needs special moves. So I added the dash and double jump. Every time you collect the points, it replenishes the dash. And the double jump is available all the time. The game is already coming together quite well. But still, there's a lot of stuff to add. Next, I added the timer, and you get extra time when you pick up some points. Also, the points didn't make that much sense, so I changed them to bread that you eat. And now we have a semi-functional game. Very epic. Obviously, menus are needed, so I added a main menu called the game duck run, and added a dev stream which displays your gotten bread. Now let's add some polish. If you don't know what polish is, it's good. So I made the player rotate to its velocity for animation and spawn particles when you eat bread. I learned how to make particles from another Copy Potato tutorial. So yeah, hippity hoppity, I'll take your commodity. Now we're very low on time, so I quickly used SFXR to generate some high quality, not gonna get annoying sound. But then my brain went, game bad, make more level. So I speedrun making some semi-bad level design and got 2 new levels. But there still was one issue. The tiles in the map were repetitive and one color. I tried looking for something that looked fine. By now I have 15 minutes left. I couldn't find anything, but I made the tiles change between 3 colors every time you start the game. Orange, green, and some purple pinkish thing. The time ended, and here's the game. I later exported the game, but I kinda failed the challenge because I had to change the code to export the game. But I'm sure it's fine. If you want to get the game yourself and play Duck Run, I uploaded it on itch.io for the small price of free. A link to the game is in the description. Thanks to Copy Potato for the tutorials. Like this video if you liked, sub if sub, and have a good day.